Doing this little session IPA here and decided to put some of it in the chili. That's going to be our lunch. Some spicy chili with some of this session IPA. It's going to be good stuff.
Okay, we got the Widmere Brothers Teeny Drinker IPA. Kind of goofy, but this is 4.2% alcohol by volume. I don't know the IBUs on that one. Of course, they're from Portland, Oregon again.
I think it's another one of these like session IPA type things.
Yeah,
yeah,
pretty much.
a small but mighty IPA. It says. Okay.
Smells like an IPA.
Ooh. Again with the citrus.
Oh, I know. Yeah.
Hard. And this one's more grapefruity this time though, and less orangey.
Mm-hmm. Give it a shot.
Almost a tiny bit of lemon in there, huh?
A little more
just
tart.
Yeah, and thinner. Than
Yeah.
Real thin and light, but crisp and super refreshing.
Yeah.
You know.
Again for an IPA. Yeah. Not bad. It is very light.
Yeah.
Like, you could drink quite a few of these and
Real hoppy.
get fucked up without knowing it.
4.8.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's like a lager status there.
Yeah, you'd get some major hoppage though, drinking a bunch of these.
At the end there, you get it.
Yeah. Yeah, good hop flavor though. Good citrusy kind of.
Each
like
drink
nose
is
up front and then a little bit kind of in the middle.
Yeah. Each drink is a little like pillowy
feeling.
It's like real soft.
Yeah.
It's probably because the alcohol's low too. So.
Yeah, right. Not much of just not malty, you know.
No.
Not much of a finish really on it. Just kind of like a little bit of lingering hop, you know, but I don't know, like a fairly short finish, fairly dry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not bad. I don't know.
No, it's good.
This definitely go good with pub food for sure.
Yeah. Freaking bucket
Burgers.
of clams or something
Yeah,
with this bitch
yeah.
would be good.
I was thinking like burgers and chicken strips and
Yeah.
fucking the whole 9 yards.
Pizza.
Nachos. Yeah, pizza. Ooh,
Yeah, good rich like extra cheese pizza, man.
yeah. Pretty good with like quesadillas.
Flank steak nachos or something. Hot sauce or some jalapeno sour cream or something with
Yeah,
it.
oh yeah.
This would help to kind of
That's good.
cool that down a little bit.
Italiano type of shit.
Yeah,
Fucking-
or like a pesto. How about we don't talk about pasta salad too much.
No, actually,
Like,
yeah.
You know, just
yeah.
like a summery kind of light
Right.
pasta salad with some shrimp or chicken or whatever in there, you know, it'd be
Even like a potato salad.
yeah.
Would be fucking real good with this too.
Yeah, same, totally, absolutely. Like just picnic beer, you know?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, the rain's picking up now.
Yeah, it is.
Son of a bitch. It's quite a trip.
Yeah. Quite a wet trip.
Yeah. And this is what it's like out here.
This fucking shit piss weather.
Yeah. Terrible. That's right, we're huddled under the tarp. We're good.
Yep. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Good stuff.